they say. I'm gonna come back with a boomerang. Yeah, I am. Well, what the haters get their way. I'll come back with a boomerang. Oh, I got frozen yogurt. What do I think that is? I need to make my potion. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna talk. I'm gonna keep walking my walk. And I hope you're sad. I'm trying to see. That's the meme. Well, not this time around. This don't be we don't think like that. We don't think like that. So just special. Say this, yeah, no, we're not. Fuck that. We don't have to come back. I'm gonna check out what they say. I'm gonna come back with a boomerang. Let's up. Turn up to 9. I'll come back with a boomerang. I'll come back with a boomerang. I'll come back. She's gonna stop. I'm gonna stop. She's gonna have I think you better test something. Test you gotta test something. Catch us if you can. Catch us if you can. All down. I'm shooting something. We don't like that. We don't use like that. Say this just special. Say this, yeah, no, we're not. Try to go for a trap. We don't have to come back. I'm gonna get out what they say. I'll come back with a boomerang. I'll come back with a boomerang. I'll come back. I'll come back. Oh, right. Oh, shit. Oh, shoot. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. Mighty potion. We don't have to come back. I'm gonna get out what they say. I'm gonna come back with a boomerang. I'll let the haters get their way. I'm gonna come back with a boomerang. Fun fact about the song you meet, I used to listen to this song. Yeah. This is something. That's the idea. This is something. Catch me if you can. Hey, catch us if you can. Hey. Fun fact about this song. And I used to stand up on my mom's bed. I used to sing it. And scream it, especially candy shop. Welcome to the candy. No, never. Walk in the plane at LAX with a dream in my cardigan. Welcome to the land of fantasy. I'm gonna fit in. Come to my town, here I am for the first time. To my right, and I see the Hollywood sign. This is all so crazy. Everybody seems so famous. Not in my head like yeah, moving my head like yeah. It'll be okay. Everybody's looking at me now. Like who's that chick that's rocking it? Don't go downtown. So hard to go around me. I'm not still for you. Turn up all the way. Like yeah.